pathways woven in a dream. Every corner holds a silent name. Echoes whisper in the neon flame. The city breathes a symphony of then. Familiar faces I might see again. Just for a moment, in a fleeting glance, lost in the rhythm of this timeless dance. Oh, these city ghosts, they follow where I roam, dancing in the shadows, guiding my heart home, flickering like old films, a bittersweet array. These city ghosts, they light my lonely way. Light my way, light my way. My city ghosts, they never fade away. This coffee shop, we shared a laughing dare. That empty bench, your silhouette was there. The distant music from a passing car reminds me just how close and yet how far. The night unfolds, a canvas dark and deep, where all the secrets that the buildings keep come out to play in whispers soft and low. Stories only heart and memory know. Oh, these city ghosts, they follow where I roam, dancing in the shadows, guiding my heart home, flickering like old films, a bittersweet array. These city ghosts, they light my lonely way. Light my way, light my way. My city ghosts, they never fade away. They're not of sorrow, not of pure despair, just gentle whispers on the midnight air. A quiet comfort, knowing they're still near, washing away the solitary tear. Oh, these city ghosts, they follow where I roam, dancing in the shadows, guiding my heart home, flickering like old films, a bittersweet array. These city ghosts, they light my lonely way. Light my way, light my way. My city ghosts, they never fade away. City ghost, light my way, shining on